Hi folks, just a quick video at Fair Village Woods again. It has been raining, so the track will be a bit dodgy, but it's not too bad. So just a quick video. It's something that I was thinking about earlier that I thought I should really cover. And cover now while it's on my mind, because next time I can't come out, there'll be a different thing on my mind. Oh, people coming this way, so I'll go this way. Easiest way, look ahead first and then see what's coming. You can do this. Right, okay. I'm going to speak about something that is quite prevalent among kids, but we're going to be talking about it from an adult point of view and more of a Christian point of view in a second anyway. I did the thing the other day about if you get offended by someone, if you choose to be offended and then handle it badly, then that's on you. Well, what do people do when they get offended? They ghost people, they block people, they do that sort. I don't want to speak to you ever again because you upset me, that sort of stuff, right? Yep. That's what kids do. That's what little children do to each other. That's what they do to mummy and daddy when mummy and daddy told them off. And, that's what they do to other kids. And then as they get older, when you have the pressure of, being liked and stuff like that, it gets a bit dark. It can get a bit dark, where you can have teenagers being blocked on certain sites and then ended up getting incredibly depressed, even trying to kill themselves because they've been blocked. These things can have impacts on people, and so from a Christian point of view, whether you see yourself as a Christian, whether you see yourself as a son of God, whether you see yourself as a child of God or as a daughter of God, whatever you see yourself, it doesn't matter. You are supposed to be not of this world. If you are supposed to be not of this world, do not do things according to the world. Certainly don't do things like that without considering the consequences. And you've got no idea what the consequences are. Unless you really, really know somebody. Unless you know how someone's going to take that, don't do it. Oh, come on. Do you really think that you're not going to be held accountable by God? If you do something like that, and there are negative consequences on somebody because of what you've done, you don't think you can be held accountable? I guarantee you now you will be. I guarantee you now that God is going to help you to understand that this is you, that this is your doing, and you will feel that conviction of sin upon you. Ugh. Grow up. That's the point. Come on. Look, it's all very well saying people are where they are. That's true, but come on. You have a heart, you have a soul, you have a mind, you have a voice. You have the ability of having your own relationship with God and speaking to God. You have the ability to read the word yourself. You do not need to rely upon a church that's telling you everything. You cannot use a church as an excuse for the fact you do not know. In the end, it is your responsibility for not knowing anything like that. But you are not supposed to be of this world. Stop behaving like you're of this world. Certainly when it affects others. Come on. I mean, as I say, the way that we deal with people, there will be consequences to the way that we deal with people. And we need to understand that, and we need to understand that with that sort of stuff. So I'll be heading back as a lady with a dog. I'll go this way. With anything like that, when you're dealing with people, what you say will have an impact on them and on you. What you do will have an impact on them and on you. The Bible talks about sowing seeds. And we sow seeds, good and bad. They're going to have an impact on us and on the people we deal with. So try and be aware. That's why I say it's so important to have friends who are going to help you to be accountable. So important to do that. To have friends who are going to push you to be better. But obviously, we see in society how you have this, celebrity that, where people want to focus on people that are worse than them, rather than people that are better. People want people around them that encourage them to do all the things that they shouldn't necessarily do. It's okay to behave in that way. Now, they want people to back them, even when they're doing things that are stupid and out of order and not good for themselves. We're supposed to be better. Better should be expected. It should be. It should be expected. It should even be demanded. You should be demanding that of yourself. So be aware of that sort of stuff, As I said before, if you get offended, then if you take offence, you took it. If you choose to do it badly, it is on you. It's not on the person who said or did the thing that offended you. That is the reality. And, if you choose to deal with that in an inappropriate manner, it's going to come back on you eventually. All you're doing is you're behaving badly. And if you're behaving badly, that's going to affect you. It's going to affect you in the morning. It's going to affect you when you go to bed. It's going to affect your prayer time. It's going to affect your worship time. It's going to affect all of these things. So come on. Grow up. Growing up is the thing we're supposed to do as we go from childhood to adult. But for goodness sake, come on. We certainly as adults shouldn't be doing what children do. We shouldn't be taking children's examples as examples of how to deal with situations. Now, of course, sometimes it's suitable to do that. But come on. Be guided. Be guided by God. That's whether you need to do that or not. Anyway, I've got this person walking up pretty quick from behind, so you take care. God bless. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.